how to buy justice for Kennedy. Now, this token came under the symbol of JFK. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It created 34 minutes ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 4 in this Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just click here to copy the token address, open your phone to mine it for that. Now click here on swap, make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token, click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. As you can see, now after that select provider, you can click on pricing. Now click in the provider here and select the Jupiter as a provider and click on apply. Now go back and make sure to read all that information here and click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy JFK token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.